After you have successfully released the front of your hips, it's time to release the back of your hips. The orbit helps you target the hip rotator muscles such as the piriformis that often become tight because they play tug-of-war with your tight hip flexors. To find these muscles, place your entire hand along the edge of your tailbone with your fingertips at your glute crease. This is the release zone on the back of the hip. There are many different muscles in this region that are waiting to be released. Start on your back. Place the orbit under your glute in the release zone. Rotate your leg out or straighten it for more pressure. Take slow, deep breaths and relax your body. Maintain this pressure for 90 seconds or more. Move the orbit around to find up to 3 tight spots on each side. Now, your hips and back are free of tension that was impacting your entire alignment and mobility.